We are here. We're making a delivery for Raul.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Raul, so you say the address you gave us is in Portmore, but
He's in Portmore.
but you're at work now.
And I'm at work in Greendale, Spanish.
And we diverted, right?
I diverted, which is very good.
Yes, man. We are trying to be flexible, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Dwayne is making the delivery now. He's scanning. Scan the package out, taking a picture of Raul's. Nice. Of Raul's package, yeah? Nice. Thank you, man. Nice. So what we noticed, so if for customers who do not want to show their ID, it is simple. We just take a picture of the customer holding the package, right? So that we have proof that the package was delivered. Alright? Yeah, man. Thank you very much, man. Yeah. Yeah.
I sent it to him.
Yes.
And I bought it late last month.
Yeah.
And Shipme and to get the information say it's at airport. And
Yeah.
I paid last night and shockingly
You have it this morning. At a different location. At a different location. Yeah, man, we're flexible them way, man.
This one is good, man. So I'm going to spread the word, man. I'm going to spread the word.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it, man. All right.
Big company, watch out, you know.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, cool.
We link
Yeah,
up.
man.
Blessed. Yeah, man. Cool. All right, Tuba. Yeah, another happy customer, and it's not even 12 o'clock yet, right?
Exactly.
Thank you, man. All right, guys, you heard it first. Later. Yard abroad. You have been watching our videos. You are talking. You've been watching our videos, but you have not created a free shipping account as yet. What are you waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time that you take to watch this video. Did you know that you can ship your items to Jamaica straight to your doorstep for like 25% what a FedEx or a DHL will cost you? Go ahead, click the link in the description box below, create your free account today. Do it! We're in the streets.